So we have two issues with this sink here. We have a leaky faucet and a very slow drain. We're going to take care of both of these issues today. First thing we're going to do is the drain. That should be the easier part, in theory. First thing we're going to do is a pop-up style plug. So we need to get underneath the sink and release that. So in order to remove the drain plug, we got to disconnect it from the pulley here. So squeeze the tabs, slide it off the rod. And save this so we don't lose it. Next thing we have to do, we have this off, so we need to take this rod out and we're going to turn this nut here. And this might be a little gross. Ugh. Now when we pull this up, it should come free. And whoa.
Oh, I think I'm gonna be sick.
So that pretty much explains why it was slow draining. Okay.
Nope.
What else am I gonna do?
Can you just like the toothbrush out? I couldn't do that. Oh my god.
I'm having trouble myself.
I think I might be sick. I'm gagging. I can't. Oh. I can't watch.
I'm just gonna grab Suzanne's toothbrush here. It ain't my hair.
It's the cat hair. It was you.
So to put it back together, we just do the opposite. We're going to put this down in first, and then when we reinsert this underneath, we want it to come into this hole here. So we want this, the hole facing the back. I don't know if that's the right way to say that, but whatever. So before you tighten that on, you want to check to make sure the stopper's moving. Just by moving this up and down, and you look at your plug, and it should be moving up and down as you move the rod. So we're good to go to tighten this. To put this on, we put one tab of this back on. Then we want to put the it's challenging to do with one hand. And then squeeze the metal together and put it through the second hole. And then to move this, you slide it until it feels like it's in the right spot. So now we just want to check to make sure that you still have your plug works. Looks like we're good there. And then we want to turn on the water and check underneath for leaks. So no leaks, and it's draining well. So first thing done. Okay, now we want to fix the drip. First thing we want to do is figure out which side is causing. Is it the hot water line or is it the cold water line? So we're going to come underneath and shut off the valves one at a time to see which one stops the drip. I'm going to start the hot water side and just turn off the valve, just close it. And it looks like we're still dripping up above. Okay, so I'm going to open that again. I'll close the cold water. And if you look up above, it stopped the drip. So we know it's on the cold water line. We're going to keep this closed down here now. This particular faucet, if you look under here, there's a set screw. So we need to loosen that so we can take a look at the mechanism underneath. This particular one is a hex set screw, so I'm going to use that with the precision out of my precision drill bit set, or my precision bit set. In theory, this should come off. All right. Now that we have that off, we want to check to see if there's anything loose on here. I want to tighten this down, see if that stops the drip, and if it doesn't, we're probably going to have to replace this piece. Now I'm going to turn the water back on underneath, see what happens. And the leak has started again, it seems. Okay, that didn't seem to work, so close the line again. Take that off. And we're going to remove this piece and get ourselves a replacement.
There you go.
So we need to get a new one of these. Okay, so we have a replacement cartridge, and
Tell them how much it was.
it was $18. Might as well just put a new faucet in. Whoa!
Whoa.
Oops.
That seemed to go in really easy. Talking.
I don't know. Turn the water back on. Okay, well, that worked. And we are not leaking. Now we just have to get the precision bit set out again, and we're going to tighten the set screw. And we're done. So that was that quick fix. We got our faucet not dripping anymore. The cats are very sad, but overall I think that'll help contribute to the drain not getting plugged anymore either with cat hair. So thanks for watching. If you like it, if it's helpful, hit subscribe, hit like, and we'll see you in the next video.